Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing GLaDOS from Portal. So this drawing is mostly a silhouette. So I just outlined the shape, the outer shape, and then in the inside parts, I'm just going through and marking where things are that I'm not going to go over. So the Sharpie is just going through here trying to fill in all the area except for the parts that I've made little shapes to leave as not filled in at this point. I've filled in most of the areas here with black, and now I'm going over with a fine point and doing a little stippling here, closing up some things that need to be cleaned up a little bit. Here comes the border, and Drawn to You 2 is about to take over here. So let's see what he's got going on. He's gonna start out with the yellow in the eye there. He's gonna go through these areas that I left and fill in some of the colors there. Alright, Drawn to You 2 is putting his logo on here, so that means we're coming up on the end of another video. There's a meow to all. And here's our final GLaDOS. We had a good time with this one, Internet. Hope you did too. And until next time, I'm Drawn to You.
Yeah.